Assalamualaikum and good day. So today I, Hajar Amani Binti Mohamad Daud, and my partner, Muhammad Isyraq bin Saharudin, we would like to present our research proposal. The title is a usability testing of a plasma mobile application among highway user in Malaysia for subject Evaluation of Information Service IMC651. So the main agenda today, we would like to present our topic, introduction about our research proposal, background study, until the conclusion of our research proposal. So for chapter 1, the introduction is actually this research is set to delve into the multifaceted dimension of mobile application utilization, exploring how this application contribute to the efficiency, safety, and overall experience of individual navigating the Malaysian highway. For the real-time traffic update and interactive journey planning and various other functionality, mobile application have the potential to revolutionize the way highway users interact with the road environment. So, as we embark on the exploration of mobile application among highway users in Malaysia, our research also aims to contribute vulnerability insight to the field of transportation studies, technology adoption, and policy development. By understanding the current landscape and envisioning future possibility, we strive to inform stakeholders and policymakers about the transformative role of plasma mobile application in enhancing the largest highway experience in Malaysia. So the problem of develop this research proposal is the variety of application available, ranging from the navigation aids to the real-time traffic, update and emergency assistance platform, complicating user selection and preference. The next problem statement is the lack of comprehensive research addressing prevalent user pattern and factor influencing application adoption, leave a gap in our understanding of highway user needs and behavior. Next is our accessibility issue related to the smartphone, penetration, network connectivity issue, and varying level of technology literacy among highway users by STEMI's widespread adoption of tools. The last one is concern about the privacy, data security, and regulation compliance complicated the integration of mobile application into highway user experience. So the purpose of our research studies is to aim the unravel user needs, optimize functionality, enhance user experience, and contribute to digital road safety. Through this purposeful exploration, we strive to create the highway mobile application to not only meet the technical requirement, but become the indispensable user-friendly companion for every road user, ultimate the enrich their journey and contribute to the evolution of digital mobility. We continue with the objective of the study. The first objective is to unravel the nuanced pattern of user interaction with the highway mobile application. Next is to identify common pattern, behavior, and preference. Third is to assess the user friendliness of the highway mobile application by scrutinizing the ease with which user can accomplish common tasks. The last one, to ensure that the application serves a user-friendly guide on the road, minimizing cognitive load of the fostering a positive user experience. So based on this research proposal, the research question that we gather is how the road user interact with the highway mobile application interface in the real world scenarios, and what pattern that can be found in the user's behavior. The next question is how well does the highway mobile application meets the user friendliness criteria, and how can the user interface the optimized to improve usability for the wide range of the road user? The third question, what are the most common usability issues encountered by the road user while navigating the highway mobile application, and how this issue be identified and addressed for improvement? The fourth question is about how can the highway mobile application helps to improve road safety, and what features and enhancement could help user make better decisions while on the roads. So the fifth question is about what are the most important feature and functionality of the highway mobile application for increasing user certification and providing the positive overall user experience. Next is how do road user rate the clarification and effectiveness of information dissemination in the highway mobile application, and what changes can be made to improve the communication of the critical information. So the last question is how well the highway mobile application match the expectation and preference of the road user, and how it can be improved to better meet and diverse needs of its user. We move to significance of study. So based on this research proposal, the study is focused on the usability testing of the highway mobile application. Its whole paramount important in enhancing the overall road user experience, promoting safety, and contributing to the seamless integration of technology into daily life of deserved user group. It's also aimed to improve user certification and experience. Usability testing provides a detailed understanding and how road users interact with the application, identifying pain points, preferences, and area of improvement. So by addressing this issue, the highway mobile application can become a more user-friendly and enhancing tool, thereby increasing user certification. So this significance of usability testing for the highway mobile application among the road user extend beyond the immediate use of application refinement. Its influence user certification, enhance road safety, streamline journey, foster inclusivity, inform interactive development, and contribute to the broader narrative of shaping the future of digital mobility. So through this study, we navigate the path through a more user-centric, efficient, and inclusive digital landscape for users, paving the way for the technologically empowered and seamless journey of the roads. Next slide. So based on this research, we also have a discussion of variables. The first one is efficiency, effectiveness, learnability, certification, error rate, task success, user efficiency, navigation effectively, and error recovery. So next we go to the conceptual framework. So this comprehensive conceptual framework provide a roadmap for analyzing the past-mile mobile application among highway users in Malaysia. So by navigating the two technology, user-relate, external and impact factor, stakeholder can gain valuable insights into the application adoption, functionality, and overall impact of the highway user experience. So the proposed framework serves as a dynamic tool for guidance research, policy decision, and continuous improvement initiative. So to ensure the past mile remain valuable asset in the hand of Malaysia highway user. So our focus area in this, we have 4 focus area, which is in technological infrastructure, application features, external factor, and feedback loop and continuous improvement. So there are sub area into the technical infrastructure, which is network connectivity, smartphone penetration, digital literacy. For sub-area of application features, we have navigation tools, real-time traffic update, and safety features. Next, for sub-area into the external factor, we have regulation environment, economic factor, cultural and social factor. The last one, the sub-area for feedback loop and continuous improvement, we have a user feedback mechanism and continuous application developments.
So I'm going to explain about the hypothesis. So the glorification of mobile application in the transportation sector has transformed of how highway users navigate their journey. In this study, we propose and test a series of hypotheses aimed at understanding the nuance of user behavior, safety perception, and the overall impact of the plus mile on the highway user experience in Malaysia. The following are the research hypotheses. There are 7 hypotheses that we have gained from the research. The first hypothesis is there exists positive correlation between the perceived usefulness of plus mile features and the likelihood of adoption among highway users in Malaysia. For hypothesis 2, the frequencies of user of plus miles is positively associated with user overall satisfaction with the application. And then for hypothesis 3 is highway users with higher levels of digital literacy are more inclined to adopt and consistently use plus mile for navigation purpose. For hypothesis number 4, users who perceive the safety features such as emergency assistance and incident reporting as effective are more likely to recommend plus mile to their peers. For hypothesis number 5, regular users of plus miles are more likely to report a positive shift in their commuting patterns, including reduced travel time and improved route planning. For hypothesis number 6, demographics such as age and income significantly influence the perceived value and usefulness of plus mile among highway users. And the last hypothesis is hypothesis number 7, cultural acceptance, measured by alignment with cultural norms and language preferences, significantly influence user adoption and satisfaction with plus mile. So for the type of research is a qualitative research. We would like to explore how emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and augmented reality are being integrated into mobile application for highway users. This may involve improving real-time traffic prediction, enhancing navigation system, or incorporating advanced safety features. For population and sampling, population refer to the entire population and event of interest the researcher wishes to investigate. Population also refer to the total number of residents who constitute a specific race, class, or group within a particular area, and researcher will use it to investigate related topics. Refer to the potential interviewees. The researcher will be interested in summarizing the research result. For this study population, refer to a specific user volume from many geographic locations in Malaysia, and then the total number of selected users is estimated to be around 100 users. So for the research instrument for these research, the instrument utilized in this exploration study comprise printed survey as appended. The questionnaire will be given randomly and gathered around after the respondent have completed the form appropriately. This questionnaire has 3 pages, which consists of 20 questions. And also in this research, the questionnaire format used in the Likert scale. Respondents are approached to show their degree of concurrence with a given assertion via an ordinal scale. The survey is divided into 4 segments, which is consists of 4 parts, which is A, B, C, and D. Area A will be centered around the segment viewpoint. For example, this segment will show the sexual orientation, age, and others. The inquiry will be close-ended. Along this line, the investigation will provide the fixed quantified effortlessly. And then go to the research design. This study is survey research that provides a quantitative or numeric description of a population trends, attitude, or opinion by studying a sample of populations. And then this research uses a non-experimental form of research, correlational design. It measures the relationship between 2 or more variables or set of score. And then the data is being analyzed using statistical procedure and hypothesis testing. And also, this study used the approach of Sekaran and Boogie to develop the research design because of its comprehensive advantages. And then for data collection method are the essential aspect of research. Inaccurate data collection can affect research results and ultimately lead to invalid results. So the data collection method is the way or means of collecting information. The data is divided into original data and secondary data. The research requires primary data. And then the main data can be collected through observation, interviews, and questionnaire for supplementary data from documents such as personal file or papers. And then in this research, the technique used to collect every data and allocate the questionnaire to the selected user with the random sampling type, which are no limitation issue. Will be distributed into 100 users who use plasma coverings all states. And then for the lastly is data analysis technique. So from the quantitative techniques, this research uses a set of questionnaire that overview respondent. This research study use one of the specific tools, which is SPSS, which stands for Statistical Package for the Social Science, to study the result of the questionnaire review from the respondent. Per Sabine Landau and Brian Everett state that the statistical package for the social science, SPSS, is the most well-known measurable bundle that can perform profoundly complex information control and examination with straightforward guidance. And another method is using bootstrapping to check data validity or running data to ensure every data is significant for every section since each variable has a question. That's all from us. Thank you very much.